Hello guys, welcome to Zingo Academy. On this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access your Volatility75 index chart on Tradingview. Of course, you know that the traditional way of getting this volatility indices is from MetaTrader 5. Okay, your volatility 10 index, 125, 50, 75, and the Boom&Crash indices. Okay, but it's better sometimes to do this analysis from your Tradingview, from your Tradingview chart. So for you to be able to do that, you go to binary.com, and hit the enter key. Okay, when this website opens up, okay, you have to log into this platform, log into your binary.com account. If you don't have an account with binary.com, just go to binary.com and open a new account. It's free. Okay, you can come here and create a free account. But if you have binary.com account, you just click on login and put in your login details. Okay, I'm going to put in my login details, my password, and you hit the login button. All right. Hold on. Okay, fine. So when you are here, the next thing you will do is to go to the resources link and click the drop down menu and select Tradingview. Okay. Boom. Yeah. So this is your volatility 25 index, volatility 25 index chart on Tradingview. Okay, you can also change it. You can also change it to the volatility 75 and hit the enter key. It's loading. Real-time feed. So this is your volatility 75 index. Okay, you could also go to of course, volatility 75, and there's volatility 100. Okay, let's go to the 100, volatility 100. Okay, you hit the enter key. So this is the volatility 100 index. Okay, now this is the real time chart of this asset. Okay, you can also go to the Boom&Crash. So when you come here, you come to this field, you click on, you type boom. Okay, it will bring out this. You make sure it is selected. You make sure that the synthetic indices is selected. Then you click on the link boom 500. It will open up the chart. Okay, so this is boom 500 index. Okay, you can also open boom or crash. Open the crash. Crash 500 index chart. Okay, and your crash 1000 index. Okay, you just click, change that to 1000, crash 1000. Okay, fine. So this is how you access your volatility indices and the Boom&Crash chart on Tradingview. Of course, a lot of people like using Tradingview charting application because it's web based and it is very convenient to use. And of course, you can go to pumping all the indicators that you need, okay, on your chart. Okay, if you need, for instance, you need the moving average. Okay, the moving average, you can click it, select it, the moving average chart. Here you are. This is the moving average, for you. Okay, so this is how you access your crash and boom and volatility indices on Tradingview. Okay, now if you want to save this as a shortcut on your desktop, just in case you want to come back to this website, you go and click this three lines that's about the top right hand side of your browser. When you click it, it will pull down this menu. You come to hold on a minute, you come to create, you come to more tools, and you come to create shortcut. Okay, you click on create shortcut. So here you can type Tradingview you can type Tradingview, okay, volatility, and crash. Okay, you can see volatility, crash, boom. Okay, all right. So, and set create. Okay, to create a shortcut on the desktop for you. Okay, let me close this. So look at the shortcut on the desktop. So at any time, even if your browser is closed, if you are closed this particular chart, okay, you can come back to this shortcut on your desktop. When you double click it, it will take you straight into that Tradingview binary.com chart. Okay, so this is how you access your crash, boom, volatility indices chart on the Tradingview. Okay, so if you like this video, go to the like button and hit the like button, to encourage me to produce more of these videos. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Okay, that will enable you get new updates of videos as I release them. Okay, and I have also dropped other important link at the description of this video. Okay, thank you very much. See you some other time. Bye.